Hey guys, Sunny here. So, I'm still invested in KOLD, which is the University of Natural Gas, and I'm up on the day about $2,000. You can see my account here. I sold and bought a couple hundred this morning. Um, Now it looks like this morning natural gas has been bearish, so it's like coming down. As you can see, it's been below EMA line since 9:30, since opening of the market, and looks like it's about to reverse direction. The EMA has turned around, and the MACD line also has turned around. If you look at the 5-minute chart, uh, the MACD and RSI both are in oversold area. So I'm gonna sell some more, um, as it continues to go down, or I'll definitely cut losses if it starts going back up. But as for now, it looks like it's about to turn direction. Let's see, 1 minute, one day chart, and overall, if you look at 180-day chart, it's in the overbought territory. It's been overbought for like last week or so. But last week was Thanksgiving week, and looks like the volume was quite low, and like small small volume was making big moves in the market. But this week all that seems to be over, and we are back to like normal volume. So I think we normal trading would resume this week. I don't expect the kind of moves we had last week. We're still made like a lower high than the previous one, and still below the EMA line. It looks like coal is at 41 now, and went a little bit over that this morning around 10 a.m. Back at the support line. Yeah, there's a previous support here at 2.83. And it's set at 2.837. So 83783, I'm gonna sell some. You can see the MACD on 1 minute chart is already crossing over. So for like next few minutes, seems to continue to go down. But if you look at the 5-minute chart, it's already in the oversold area. It might go go down some a little, but it looks like it's about to turn around. And let's look at the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, it looks like it's gonna continue to go down. So like in the next few minutes, it's gonna go down. In next few, like 15-20 minutes, it might come back up. It's possible that it might come back up to this uh, semi-green line, but overall, day by day, on a day-by-day basis, it looks like it's going to continue to fall down. So I may sell some, but I will keep, at least 200 shares for swing trade. Yeah, I should sell some. Sell another 100. I'm gonna sell it like 41.02. Alright, sold. Now I have 900 shares. Let's see. This here is the lower channel, so I think it should come down up to here at least. Yeah, it also made a high here and then a lower high here. So I'm a little skeptical that it's gonna turn around and go back up. So that's why I'm not selling all of them yet. I'll either wait for it to go above this EMA line and continue to go up before I sell. But yeah, looks like it's gonna continue to go down. I'll sell some more if it touches this lower channel. $41, about 41.20. Alright, I think I should sell some now. Alright, sold at 41.20. And this year line here is the lower VWAP. Now I have 800 shares up on my investment, 21.52 on the day. My total return is 757. Well, I sold 400 already, so these numbers are lower for today. 3,000 up today so far. It went up a little bit, but still under the EMA line. So I'm just watching. Right. It looks like it's crossing over the email line. See. Ideally, it would like cross over the email line, go up a bit, and then bounce, come down and bounce from EMA. That's when you know that that's like sort of a confirmation that the stock has changed direction. So let's say it went above the EMA line. Already sold about 200. In 5-minute chart, it looks like he's turning around. So let's see. Yeah, last 2 weeks the market has been a little choppy. The directions have been like all of a sudden changes, and it's been like sort of hard to predict. I would concede that, and I don't think I'm an expert trader. I think I'm still a beginner trader. I've been trading for like actively trading for last 2 years. Before that, I was just investing a lot in long term, and in long term investing, the stocks do go up, but when they come down suddenly, and I wasn't paying attention actively, so I lost a bunch of money, and that kind of motivated me to uh, look into it, study more, and learn how to invest. And for last 2 years, I've been like actively learning and trading. Um, like until summer of this year, I've been like making money, losing money. My account size was stable. At least I wasn't like on a losing streak, so to speak. You know, when I pay attention, I'm able to grow my account. So that's kind of motivated me to turn to trading full time, so that I can trade without any distractions. There are like still some distractions here and there, but I'm able to manage that. At least in the beginning, you need to pay 100% attention to how the stocks move, what sort of signals there are, and these signals can change over time. And yeah, each trader has to adapt to the market, adapt their trading style to their market. So now it's above around the upper channel. So I'm gonna buy some. So say I will buy 100. 40.31, let's say. Right now reason. Oh, it executed as well. So I have 900 shares now. It was quick. Even though the bid and ask price were both higher than my price. Yeah, 40.31. Yeah, there's definitely more volume in the market this week compared to last week. Yeah, I got a real quick execution on this one. Let's buy another 100. I hit the challenge, now coming down because the price went up uh, too much too soon. So that's the reaction. I think it's gonna come down to the EMA line and then bounce. Let's see. Those are my prediction. It doesn't have to happen like that. Those are what usually happens, and these insights you gain after you have had experience trading. Okay. I might even sell the 100 that I bought when it touches that EMA line. Alright, selling 140.66. Let's see if I get filled. Robinhood is a bit slower, so by the time I decided the price to sell at, the price has already gone to that point and back. Alright, sold at 40.66. Some was at like about 30 cents, so I made like $35 in a matter of minutes, if not seconds. The 5-minute chart looks like it's already turning around. This lower MACD line is crossing over this white line. So let's see. Start up buy order. Buy 100. Limit order around 40.3. Let's see. But right about the place where the channel is. Right. So as I said, it went up above the EMA line, came down, and is now bouncing back up. Let's, we have like this SMA line, 100-day SMA line here, and then the VWAP. Today it doesn't look like it's in the morning. It was like around this SMA line, but and then once it bounced back from this SMA line, so we'll have to see. But these two lines are close, so if you are conservative, you can take profit here if you are long, and you can buy here if you are short. So I'll buy some, when it comes here, some, and then buy some more when it's at the middle wave up. And in the beginning, it pays to be a conservative trader. You can always come back tomorrow and make more money. But if you make big mistakes and lose your money, you won't have much money to trade with. It did make higher high than before, so yeah, this is like sort of confirmation that the trend is up now, the short-term trend, so to speak. On 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart, the trend still seems to be down. So I would like buy and sell coal because the trend is down. I won't invest in boil yet. BOIL, boil. It looks like it's gonna bounce from the EMA again. Mm-hmm. It didn't bounce, looks like it's continuing to go down. Let's see. On 1 minute chart, it's crossing over the MACD is crossing over. Right. And market, everything can change whenever, you know. A few moments ago you might have a different prediction, now you can have a different prediction. So as you can see, it crossed below the EMA line, went up a little bit, and then it's now looks like it's bouncing down. The MACD on 1 minute chart has already crossed over, but on 5 minute chart it still seems to direction still seems to be up on a 5 minute chart. Let's see. Yeah, looks like it's bouncing down. If it comes to like 41, if gold comes to $41 or near, I might sell some. So let's see. I have 800 shares right now. And I usually do not trade with this large size. This morning I had 200 shares. I sold some, then I sold some more while doing the live streaming. Now I have 800. Usually I have my max size capped at 500 shares, but last 2 weeks I wanted to like scale up and see how I trade with a larger position. In my experience, it seems like putting like a larger position, trading with larger positions, I feel like I need to relearn all the things I learned before. Because like if you increase your position size, the the dollar amount for profit and loss are higher, and I think this affects you psychologically. So and I also noticed that I've been like looking at my balance more often than before. When I was just trading with 50 shares at a time, I didn't worry about my account balance that much. But ever since I scaled up to 100 shares, I've been looking at my balance more often. And like last week I was doing it more. This week I'm a bit under control. So let's see how it goes. It's trading is all about psychology. Anybody can learn. Anybody can learn the process. The fundamentals of trading. But to put it in practice, it takes a while. For me, it was about 2 years. There are some people who do it like full time from the beginning and can learn faster. But I did have a full time job that I was doing while trading, and in my opinion, trading needs full attention. You may just trade like 2 hours a day, but pay full attention. Now that I'm working from home, I have more ability to pay full attention. I can like sort of like tune out the distraction, turn off my cell phone, turn off my call, and just have like couple hours just for trading. And the good thing about trading is like it's scalable. You know, like you start trading with like 10, 15 shares at a time, because in the beginning you have less money. As your account size grows, you can like trade up, increase your trade size. As you gain more and more confidence and you're able to keep discipline, you can like scale up your trade sizes. Alright. 5-minute chart still looking like it's going up. The 1-minute chart is not very clear right now. On the 1 minute it's still going sideways. So I would now think that my analysis right as of now is like it made this high here, and then the second high was about the same, and then it didn't come back quite up as before. So looks like it's gonna continue to go down a little bit. If it comes to if coal becomes it if coal comes up to $41, I'm selling some. But as of now, it looks like on 1 minute chart looks like it's going sideways. 5-minute chart looks like it's going up. So it's like and overall on 1 minute chart it looks like it's going down. So it's like conflicting information. So I'm not gonna do anything yet. I'm just gonna watch. Good thing I sold some before, so if it comes back up, I can buy some cold shares. And if it goes down, I will sell some. But as of this morning, like early morning was we had good amount of volatility, but as of now it looks like it's gonna like calm down a bit, and it's trading between 2.87 and 2.83 in this general area. And this is not to say that there can be a big move. It's just 11 a.m. right now. Things can change pretty quick. If anyone watching this live stream, feel free to say something. Alright, so it's just pushed up a little bit. Let's say I'm gonna buy some gold. Let's say 100. 40 dot. Let's see, 40.3. It's already coming down. By the time I put my order, it's already come down. Okay, now seems a little bit. I have a little bit of clarity. It made this high, then this high, and this one was a little bit higher than that. And the EMA direction seems to be up right now. Here it was like sideways, here it's up. So let's see. And 5-minute chart still looks like it's going up. I'll leave my order at 40.30. Let's see if it gets filled. Probably get filled and then it's gonna go up some. So KOLD is the inverse ETF, so it will go down when natural gas goes up. Alright, the bid is at 40.30 right now, as you can see here. My order hasn't still filled. Still at 800 shares. The bid for KOLD is back down to 40.30. Now it's not filling up. Okay, not should. Alright. Bid price is down to 40.2224. No, I got filled. Let's see what happens on 1-minute chart. RSI is towards the high. So I think it was a good point to get in short term. Because I'm looking at 1-minute chart. Okay, so now it's at 40.13. I might buy another 100. It's about to touch that green SMA line, so I'm thinking to put 40.02. See, yep, 40.02. The bid is 40, and yeah, I got filled at 40.02. And then if it goes to that middle VWAP line, I'm gonna buy some more. And then if it continues to go up, I would not buy until it goes up to the upper VWAP and or if I have other signals that indicates that it's going to come back down. So that's it. So that's like one of the outcomes. They're like many outcomes, and therefore you need to have multiple plans. So it's at this green SMA line. One possibility is it's going to come down from here. Another possibility is it will continue to go up to VWAP and then come down. And another possibility is it can go up to this upper VWAP line and then come down. Or it could be somewhere around here, but in that case I would need other indications. So for example here, as you can see, RSI was high, MACD was high, and then it started to make lower highs, and the MACD line was below, the blue MACD line was below the white MACD line. So that was like a good indication that it would begin to turn around. So I need something like that if it's somewhere in the middle. So as you can see now, it's coming down from this green SMA line. So now another possibility is like it's gonna just bounce back from the CMA line, or it will continue to fall down. Like on 1 minute chart, you can see it's already in the overbought area. On 5 minute chart, it's somewhere in the middle, but on 5 minute chart, the MACD line still seems to be going up. So like I could sell some here when it bounces on the CMA line, but I don't see a point. It's gonna be very little profit, like $22, something like that. So that's not enough. So I'm gonna let it continue to come down. If it doesn't come down and bounces up, then I'll add more to my position size. And I'm still adding more to my cold position is because long-term trend seems to be down. So look at the 1 hour chart and 180-day chart, 20-day 1 hour chart and 180-day 4 hour chart. You would see that natural gas is in overbought area. So my long-term strategy is to trade cold. Okay, looks like it's bouncing from the EMA line. Like a lot of traders say that invest in something that grows. It is true, but I think I learned a few things the wrong way, and I have some bad habits. I'm still working on to fix those habits, but in the meantime I have sort of understood how the market moves. So if I buy something and it continues to go down, I'm not that worried, because according to my analysis it should go up. So in short term it might continue to go down a bit, but and then if I see indications, I will add to my position size. But yeah, I mean, you need experience to be able to predict what will happen, and you will have the insight to realize there could be multiple outcomes, and you need to plan for each of them. So let's see. The general trend is down, so I'm thinking on 5 minute chart, the RSI won't even, go up to the overall overbought area. There's the 5 minute chart, and then MACD is like somewhere in between. It hasn't gone up quite a bit. Same thing with RSI. In past it has gone up to this area. So let's wait a little bit. So, so right now I have like 1,000 shares. I bought 100 when I was here. I bought previously 100 when I was here, and I bought 100 here and sold here. Now that short-term trend is up, so okay, looks like it's coming below the EMA line. And on a 1 minute chart, you can see it's like crossing over. But on a 5 minute chart, it still seems to be going up. Let's see. This level here at 2.862 seems to be 2.862863 seems to be a short-term support area. Now let's see if it bounces back from here. No, it doesn't look like that. So, and on 5 minute chart now, it looks like it's turning around. Right. Looks like it went down and supported a little bit, and then it's bouncing back up. Now I just touched the EMA line, and we have to see if it continues to go up or down. Right above the EMA line. But now you can see that if it doesn't and go higher up, you can see, you can already say it's gonna make a lower high than this. If it makes lower high than these two here, it's a good chance that the stock will turn around and go down. Yeah, it's sort of kind of like going sideways again. Let's see. I'm looking at 1 hour and 180 day chart, 1 hour and 4 hour chart. Yeah, the long term still down. So as you can see here, it sort of like bounced back from the EMA line. So most likely it's gonna continue to go down. The 5 minute chart is turning around. So with good confidence, you can say that the price bouncing down from this EMA line is a confirmation that in short terms, like in 1 minute, one day chart, which is a short term chart, the short term trend is now down. So just like here, here you can say short term trend was down, so it went down a little bit and then went back up. So I wouldn't quite yet say that it has completely turned around. I would say that for short term, for near future, like next 5-10 minutes, it's gonna go down. After that, what's gonna happen, I don't know yet. Nobody knows. And back up a little. Oh, looks like it's crossing over the EMA again. But as per my analysis, the short term trend is down. See. Like certain times there are certain moves, which will throw you off, but you have to have enough practice to sort of like ignore the noise in the market, So these wicks you see, these are basically noise, These are basically noise. So the body of the candle is still below the EMA line. As you can see, the prices went up and down above the EMA line, but for the most part the body remains inside. So that's one of the things you need to keep in mind that there is a lot of noise, and you will learn to ignore it uh, after you have had practice. If you're a beginner trader, I would recommend that you trade during the midday, because early mornings the stocks are much more volatile than during the midday. And when you're learning, you need to see how the stock moves. Uh, the theory and the principles are the same in the morning, but everything just happens a lot faster, for you to make sense of. So in the beginning, it's necessary to know the fundamentals, know the principles, know the theory, um, and then uh, trade during the midday, or at least watch the market during the midday to see how those fundamentals, principles, and the theory works out in the actual market. Let's see. See, it's kind of moving slow. Like in the morning, things were moving much faster. I'm gonna sell some, when it comes to this lower channel. I bought some at like 40.30 and then some at 40.02. So if I sell 100, I have like $50-$60 in profit. So I would say that's a good amount. Actually, I'm gonna let my stock continue to run because on 5-minute chart, it looks like the MACD line seems to be turning around, and if everything goes according to the plan, it will soon cross over, and then it will continue to come down. So let's see. For your 80. Alright, let's sell 100. I've been like live for about an hour, so I'm gonna close my stream. But let me sell 100 before I go offline. It's still above when it goes above 40.80. Yeah, it's like for short term. So now it's most likely gonna bounce down from this EMA line. So let's see if that's true. I didn't even get a chance to sell, so maybe I'll buy some. Okay, so 40.50, 40.5. Right, I have a bar at 40.51. And the interface for Robinhood and the actual execution itself is slow. Like by the time you figure out what price to sell and put in your order, things have already moved. I hear I only use Think and Swim to do analysis, but I hear the interface is better and the execution is better in Think and Swim. I just need to get used to trading on Think and Swim. And there's like always a price variance between KOLD prices and the natural gas prices itself. Even though it may come down and come back up to the same price, but the price for KOLD will not be exactly the same as before. Our management plan was to like sell some here and then buy it back here, but I just didn't get a chance to do that. So the 1 minute chart seems to be turning around, but it's just a short-term chart. Now if you look at the 5 minute chart, it looks like it's turning around and going down. Pretty soon it's gonna cross over this EMA line. The EMA lines will cross over. If it doesn't cross over, then you need a change in strategy. It's bouncing back on 1 minute chart. It's bouncing back down from the EMA line. I'll just cancel my buy order for now and start a new order when I see it going back up. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my stream here. It's already over an hour. I try to share my insights and the things that I have learned, and hopefully help someone learn things a bit faster than I did. I'll update you with my profits in the evening. Until then, good luck if you're trading natural gas or any stocks. Take care and bye.